I'm gonna teach you 5 things that we pay attention the most when we are making our shorts on YouTube. Now that I got your attention. If we're talking about short videos, people swipe away faster than we can see them, right? I know you do that too.
Teenagers are building.
So, I'm Roxy from Vibler Creative, and together with my husband Sergio, we've published over 300 videos on YouTube with over 1 billion views. And I believe we've got a lot of experience in doing shorts. We learned along the way what makes people click, stay, and watch the videos till the end. Number 1, the hook. This is what makes people stop. This is what got people's attention to stop the scroll, but this only happens in the first 3 or 5 seconds. So it must be something good. Look at this video. Do you see the hook that we used? Broken glass or not broken glass? This is the one, the glass expert. Many people liked his design of broken tempered glass staircases. But he also makes not broken tempered glass staircases many people prefer. Which team are you? You have to say or show something that makes people wonder, wait, what? Of course, nothing extraordinary, but you can mix something together that doesn't usually go together. Like black and white, like hard and something soft. Depends on what you are creating. Let's say you are a baking channel, and in the first 3 seconds of your video, you are showing salt and sugar. They only work together if you cook, right? Spark an interest, but don't exaggerate. Try things in your area of expertise that fit your content. If you are a baking channel, don't show this, maybe, if you don't want to break something. Don't start with your name. Don't say today, tomorrow, always. This is not a commercial video. It's a short. Start in action with the main thing you want to show in the video. You have to look at the camera. Even if you are showing something with your hands, even if you are reading something or on your laptop or doing a craft, you are always looking at the camera for the first seconds. You have to grab the attention, look the people in the eye, and then start doing something. The whole video needs this, but we're gonna focus on the first seconds of the video since they are the most important ones. Good lighting, good colors, appealing presence, and good framing. You have to be relatable, meaning looking good even without the sound. People have to know what you are doing, maybe even who you are, and what is the video about. Try to make your hook connect with a wide range of people, so you don't lose viewers too early by being too specific. This also means no backstory, no history lesson. The video should be shown, understood as is, even if people don't know who you are. Keep the scene clean. This will help most of the viewers engaged for more. Here's a pro tip. Aim for 90% of the viewers to go past even 6 seconds of your video. This will give you a perspective of the whole video, but in the first 5 to 6 seconds. Number 2, suspense. This is the power of the video. This is the tension, this is the thing that gets people to see what happens next. Some people say that suspense separates good creators from awesome, great creators. Think in movies how suspense works. I'm pretty sure you've seen some. You have to make people wait for something, but be sure not to spoil the result. Visually, you should support this idea just the way you started. It can be either nervous, excited, or curious. Keep moving forward with the story and keep the emotion you started with. Watch this video and see the suspense we created. You have to use the suspense to connect the hook to the end of the video. Nobody knows this yet. They'll figure it out by the end of the video, of course. If the viewer makes it past halfway, they're invested for sure. At this point, slow down a bit. Give them more of the action, talk more about the end of the video, and keep the suspense rolling at a slower pace, because the viewer is already engaged in the video, so they want to see you in action. Number 3, raising the stakes. You have to make people care about you, about the cause, about the video you make, about the product you show. If they feel it, they stay. If not, they scroll, meaning they stroll away from your video. If possible, film in unexpected locations. Obvious, but unexpected. Bold props get a lot of attention usually. See, this is clean and I use it on the table. If I hold this from the beginning till the end of the video, you might ask why. If you're building something, maybe you can use a champagne glass to drink soda instead of the regular can. Why? Because you use something unexpected, obvious, but unexpected in an unusual way. This will help with the engagement tactics, but we're gonna talk later. You also need to dress for the emotion, of course. Wardrobe matters, people matter. Cast the right people for the job. The face expressions will speak louder than words. No emotion, no connection, no views. Simple as that. This is a red line, if you want, that goes throughout the whole video. The hook has the emotion, the middle part has that emotion, and the payoff at the end rewards with the same emotion. Number 4, engagement tactics. The more people interact, the more your content spreads. Meaning, the engagement tactics are nothing more, nothing less than a click, a thing, a sound that goes throughout the video, makes people think, what is going on behind the scenes? Maybe you've heard many people hit the subscribe button or gesturing, comment below, comment, please comment. But what if you do something that makes them do exactly that without saying anything? You have to think beforehand, but have something in the video that makes people comment. How do you do that? Firstly, of course, it's the topic you show in the video. If people are interested enough in your video or in the topic you present, they will comment. Maybe the thing that bothered you at first when you set up the video might be the engagement tactic you needed in the first place. Like a mistake. You can also think beforehand and purposely leave a mistake in the background, in front of the video, on you maybe, like a weird hat. These are the engagement tactics that usually work and make people comment. Of course, don't exaggerate, don't go overboard. Don't push over the limit, with style. Do it your way. Something that fits your content, of course. You need to stir up the conversations and people will comment and enjoy it, of course, while they comment. Would you publish a video and expect no comments, no reactions? I bet no. Open the mic, let the floor open for people and join the conversation with them. You create scenarios where people can identify, relate, take a side and comment on. Respond to comments, show them you care and that you are really interested in the topic you presented. Everyday experiences make people share and tag their friends. This will help the video to reach more people. Leave the space for answers with open-ended questions. And number 5, the payoff. The payoff means they get what they want. Remember the hook, remember the suspense, and the good story in between. This is the payoff. An answer, a reveal, a product name, or a price to something. They might decide here if they are coming along for the ride or not. They decide here if they subscribe, if they want to see more videos of you or even the longer videos. And the video with the most shareable idea that they will want to share with their friends. Now, you still want to make it satisfying, like pay off the curiosity you've built up till now. If you started the video with a secret, tell it now. If you started the recipe at the beginning of the video, obviously show the result. Deliver with the same emotion you started with and bring it home. End the video, big style, say it, live. End the video here. No cliffhangers, no part 2. Don't say subscribe for part 2. This will make people mad. I've seen this cliffhanger, I've seen this ending. It doesn't end well. If you can communicate it fast at the end and you bring the whole emotion back to the hook, well, now you have a loopable video, and that's what you want. I know, I'm throwing a lot of ideas here. Oh, and one more thing. If it's not obvious yet, avoid the graphics at the end of the video, like showing the logo and website, telephone number. This ruins the whole loopable video. Don't worry, if people like the content you make, they identify with the problem and solution you presented, they will come back for more. They will ask more questions in the comments and of course, in the end, contact you. After you publish the first video, the first 10 videos, and so on, you need to look back behind the scenes at the analytics. You need to understand your audience as numbers also. You need to learn by doing. Better words, better audiences. Focus on perfecting the first 3 to 5 seconds. Test different opening shots, captions, edits. Find out what keeps people in, what draws their attention, and that's how you learn to make better videos. Don't expect huge results from the 10 videos you make at the beginning. Other people say the first 100 videos are, well, not so good. We try to teach you that being consistent in what you do usually pays off with awesome results. And you figure it out what works in the beginning of the video so people stay in the middle, gain something from your video, and the payoff at the end brings them home. I understand you want to create shorts, but you are on a long journey. There's no sugarcoating. There are gonna be seasons when your shorts will perform better or when you're gonna learn from those mistakes and do it better. Doing shorts on YouTube, it's a long process. You might start today with one, tomorrow again, but in the end pays off, trust me. As this is a short video and I'm telling you the payoff at the end, this will also have a payoff. You will see people engaged with your content, you will see the comments, you will see the love they show and the interest they show. Think of it, right now YouTube is the #1 streaming platform. That's where people go for entertainment, learning, fun, and so much more. If you made it this far, I know you care about making better videos. And we are here to help you. If you want to chat one-on-one with us about your content, your ideas, and how to grow faster with shorts, just book a session with us. We offer YouTube mentorship. We'll help optimize your channel with ideas and strategies that will help you grow on YouTube the right way. We will have video calls, email conversations. You send us the video and we'll give you real feedback with creative ideas, so we'll be alongside you as you create. We can work together and apply the formula that so many creators use. We have limited spots, so sign up below and let's do something creative together.